Alhamdulillah. Tissue, please. Oh, there you are. Assalamualaikum. My name is Safia Bintu Matarat. I'm kindergarten 1 of Al-Munawwarah Islamic School. By the way, do you know the scientific reason of sneezing? Okay, I'll tell you. Almost anything that irritates or tickle our nose that can cause us to sneeze. Like dust, pollen, cold air, pets like this, and pepper goes sneezing. Our nose is two sensitive organ that regulates the air that we breathe. Our nose makes sure that we breathe clean and healthy air. Air sometimes has tiny particles that are unsuitable for us. So when we sneeze, our nostrils expel the irritating particles. It could be dust, flowers, pepper bottle, and pets. Do you know that sneezing can send tiny particles speeding out of your nose up to 100 miles per hour? So what's the process? And inside of your nose gets a tickle, a message is sent to the special part of your brain. And the brain sends a message to all the muscles that have to work together to sneeze. That's all about sneezing. Thanks for listening. Have a great day ahead.